Hey, imagine powering up this machine for the first time and suddenly everything you do on PC feels unlocked. This is for someone who doesn't just play games. It's for the person who demands performance, who edits videos, renders, multitasks, streams, games, all without compromise. Before you keep reading, if you're even halfway considering this, check the current price in stock. Towers with this kind of GPU and CPU combo tend to sell out fast. You know the moment your old rig starts choking under heavy loads. Long load times, stutters, lag in video playback, rendering nightmares, frame drops. You kept pushing through, thinking it was good enough. Deep down, you sensed you'd outgrown good enough. Then you fire up this tower, and the difference hits you. Programs open instantly. Games run smooth. Render timeline moves at a breathless pace. Multitasking, from editing to gaming to light design work, doesn't cause even a flicker. It makes you wonder how you tolerated the slowdown for so long. On real days you do more than just game. You're editing content, switching between browser tabs, media and code jobs, maybe streaming while rendering, gaming with friends, and everything stays fluid. No lag, no delays, no weird glitches. The power is there when you push, and quiet when you don't. This isn't just about numbers. It's about how confident you feel when the system responds immediately. When you don't have to schedule around long load times. When your hardware matches your pace, not the other way around. Once you feel that smoothness, dragging yourself back to an old rig feels painful. Check the price again. Inventory like this doesn't last forever. If you're hesitating because it seems like overkill, ask yourself, are you still designing, editing, gaming, multitasking, and creating? Because for that workload, you're not overdoing it. You're matching your ambition. The surprise benefit: thermal stability and silence. Even under heavy load, the machine stays cool and quiet, letting you stay focused deep into late sessions, not fighting fan noise and heat. Owning this feels like you finally leveled up. Your space, your desk, your setup, all feel premium. You look at it and know, this is built for what I demand. Effortless multitasking at peak demands instant app launches with no waiting, games and editing run with rock-solid stability. Your workflow flows without crash or choke. Your setup feels clean, powerful, elevated. Larger tower footprint, slightly less upgrade-friendly than DIY rigs. At some point you stop reconsidering. You stop comparing. You just choose the system that already feels like yours. The one that fits where you're heading next. If you're ready to quit settling, check the current deal and claim it before someone else does.